been quite the rainy few days in the last couple of days, and no complaints for me. I actually would love to live in Oregon probably, or Washington, because I really like the rain. To me, it's not as, I don't know, it's enjoyable. I love making music, but Florida skies pretty clear, or starting to get clear, way over that way. And you turn this way, and you can see the storm rolling in. It's about to be a storm for sure. So you know the deal, as always. I'm about to do a quick morning stretch. I have a Zoom call at 9 a.m. So I cannot go to the gym until after that. So I'm going to probably walk and get the mail, stretch real quick, do a Better Me workout, which is a calisthenics program that I joined for 28 days just to test it out, and then go on a bike ride if it doesn't pour the rain. Always just a bunch of garbage, always. Yeah, bro, I said it. I said that rain gonna come, and that rain is here, dog. Sheesh.
Quick little bicep pump in while it's raining. Oh, that big. 40 seconds. Do 15 of each, early toe, and then add my lat, power of one more. So 16. Don't know how many I've done on this one. So I'm gonna do another set. Clear it up, or is it getting worse? I don't know if it's cleared up or getting worse. I'm getting toasty. Ain't no same stool like that. I'm getting toasty. I'll do another 16 flies. Toasted. Wish I had a 16-pound dumbbell. Always do. That's done that. Always do an extra one, an additional extra one. Oh, and then the rain comes right back. Always do an additional one on the left because I'm trying to get my left arm stronger. Now some tricep squats. I think I'm at 17. Go 21. I think this is 21. Do one more, just in case. We'll do one more for LeBron. Oh yeah. My arm is toasted after that one.
It's 10 a.m. Protein shake, muffin. Let's get something in my stomach. While I'm doing that, I'm also going to go take my vitamins, my vitamin T's, and do a couple worksheets on this course I'm working on. Got some junk removal shit we got to do in a little bit. And so, what was I just coming? I was coming for my vitamins. So, I'll talk to y'all in a couple. Got a little bit of everything. You got your GNC fat burning energy thing. You got your fish oil, your glucosamine, another one of the GNCs, biotin, multivitamin, also a multivitamin, another glucosamine, some B12, and some vitamin C. You're so hype. All right, chill. And you got Stormy way over there, chilling as well. Cat life. Probably actually just gonna do an ab workout real quick and enjoy this rain, and then I'm gonna get started on the course. I definitely love nature and outside, so I'm gonna actually, I brought a desk outside. I'm just gonna start doing work out here. That way I can look at the rain and enjoy it. Nice. Still need to do that ab workout, but let's go out there. I'm gonna get my computer. See, I'm gonna rearrange the office a little bit So if I can hold this right. So this desk was long ways and I turned it sideways. Don't know if I'm gonna like it there or not, but I am gonna scoot it back right now. But let me go. Got my computer, what percentage? Definitely good enough. All right. Got that, got this, and we got that and this. And we got that and this and this and that. So, now we can go do some damn business outside. Sorry for the, oh man. Apologize in advance for the no editing and the shitty camera angles. That's how raw. That's how raw and authentic we're gonna be on this channel. So I'm gonna get to work. Talk to you in a couple. Working on creating another ebook or a better version of an ebook of how to start junk removal. Basically a quick guide, quick step guide. That's gonna be roughly a 12 to 13 chapter ebook. And I'm just gonna say this right now for everybody that ChatGPT is a lifesaver when it comes to getting the correct information and or helping you get to the right correct information, and also when you are sure you have that correct information, teaching you how or having it make the process simpler so you don't have to do every single tedious step. You know, ChatGPT and AI are definitely not going anywhere, so I highly recommend you using them to your advantage, because at the end of the day, everyone else is, and if you're choosing to make your life harder because you don't want to become with the times and you just want to stay stuck back in 1970, like the people that still don't have internet on the phone or don't even know how to use the internet or use an iPhone, as I'm sure everybody watching this has someone in their life that is like that. You know, I highly recommend you start learning AI now. Again, you don't have to learn everything about it. It's not like you're missing out every single day that you don't know everything about it. But again, it would be like when the internet first came out, just becoming aware of it. And then obviously as to where we are now, everybody has access to the internet pretty much for free on their phone or through somebody else that they know. So I highly recommend learning ChatGPT and learning AI. Again, you don't have to know everything about it, but you need to become aware of how you can use this to better benefit your life. It took a minute, but the entire freaking ebook, I just finished it. So I'll be uploading that into the Junk Camp, and it will be available for purchase as the regular, as the PDF, and it'll be included in the full course as well. We headed out. About to go pick up some appliances. Alrighty. Let's do this thing. Still rainy. It's gonna be a rainy day all day. Ready to pick up some appliances? I said.
Oh, I'm ready, man. We're gonna sell them for like $300. Oh.
That's what I'm talking about. All right, picked up a shitty dishwasher, stove and a fridge. List those when we get back home. List those appliances for a couple buckos and make some more money. Here's what we're rocking with. Got the fridge, freezer, shitty stove. Looks pretty nasty inside, but if someone wants it, they can buy it. That washer or dryer ended up not working, traded it out, didn't lose any money. And that's just dishwasher, metal, whatever. That'll go to the scrap.
tomorrow along with a couple other bullshits. So time to take some pics, snap some flicks. All right, definitely time to eat some good food now. Still haven't gone to the gym yet, so I'm gonna eat some food and go to the gym. So I got some taco meat, some cheese, some shredded cheese. I'm gonna get a little bit of that right now. You can't go wrong with some cheese. All right. Basically, I'm just gonna do the same thing I did the other day. Make some damn pasta. Throw a bunch of taco meat on it, basically make pasta tacos. Hope I don't spill it over this time. Crunchy hard noodles. I really have no idea what I'm going to be working out at the gym, so I guess I'm going to figure it out right now. Think about it, but one thing I do know, I need to eat a shit ton of calories because I ain't ate that much today. A glass of milk, protein shake, a couple waters, some BCAA shit, and a muffin. So I barely eat shit today so far. Fucking yeah. I do not like the creatine gummies either. They fucking stick together all the time, bro. Come on. I'm not fucking with it. I ain't fucking with it. Let's see. Probably making another BCAA for the gym. So some water. Who was that? Was that worth it?
Yes. She doesn't speak good English.
Oh my god.
But she told me she does need the service, and I asked her how soon. I said we can, ask her how soon, and I told her I'll give her another call back tomorrow. Ask for her address and told her to send some pictures.
Gotcha. Cool deal.
Yeah, I realized that there was another in the same league.
Yep, the exact same. First time she wasted her time, so I said, are you gonna use this or not? Otherwise, stop fucking clicking our link, bitch.
Hey, that's a protein shake, right?
Huh? That's yours.
Uh-huh.
Pretty sure I drink mine.
Oh, yeah.
I don't think I made two. So I had two different BCAAs. We're adding the cherry flavor packet because that's good for you. Not really, but it tastes good. And then get everything good to go. I know you can see. You guys can't see me at all, can you?
See me? Back gains. Was that milk?
shit better be good, that's what I know. Alrighty, got this bitch made. Frozen banana. Sorry.
So you want a frozen banana? You eat it, probably.
Alright. Pasta's coming along. I'll touch back with y'all, motherfuckers, when pasta's done. All right, pasta's about done. Let's take a look at that. Well, pasta is done. I just need to warm up some cheese and throw it on there and stuff. But I'm gonna take a ribby Scooby Dooby real quick. Need to clean up this. All right, I'm gonna take a ripster, and then we'll get to eating some good ass food, huh? I'm excited. Oh, I'm excited. Oh, I'm excited. Okay. Okay. So we're gonna add the cheese in there. We're gonna add a little bit of chili powder. We're gonna turn this on low. We'll definitely add some more salt. I'm gonna add this liquid cheese to it. Which is from Tijuana Flats, by the way. If you have one of those in your area, you are blessed. Because it is some of the best Tex-Mex around. Alright, let's bring this over here so you guys can get a little sneak peek in what's going on around here. Alright. Oh, that's not gonna work. Come on now, don't be a bitch. Alright. Getting super cheesy in this bitch. Oh man. And I'm causing a mess, dude. This shit is golly. Can't even pick it up. Like, this whole stovetop is disgusting right now. I need to clean it bad. Alright. This is gonna be so fire. I already know it. Like, oh my goodness. I'm just gonna go ahead and turn that off. I don't need to cook it no more. It is hot enough to warm up everything, even the cold taco meat that I'm about to throw in there. It's taco meat, homemade, fresh. Don't have to worry about no preservatives or no bullshit. That's one thing I do love to do is to cook. I guess I'm trying to decide if I should just put all that meat in there. We'll see. But find out in a sec after I stir it. See what it's looking like. Oh yeah, we gotta put it all in there. Come on now. Just wouldn't make sense to not do it. It's not gonna be enough without all of it. All right. This is going to be super fire, that's for sure. So, regardless of how it looks on camera, this shit is gonna be hot potato. Did not know it was gonna be this much though, so it's kind of hard to stir in this big old pan here. Doing my best. Doing my best, but damn, I'm making a mess. Making a mess, but I'm still doing my best. Want a bowl before you go?
That seems like something I can't resist. A little bowl, a little bit of color.
More than carbs. It's taco pasta. Oh yeah, that's gas. That's fucking gas. I did it. Can't ever go wrong with that, baby. Whoo! Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Ski.
Oh my goodness.
Use this fucking what the taco meat was in. Might as well. I don't like to dirty nothing up. All right. Gotta make sure it's not sticking because I turned it on not thinking. That was on crack. Alright, here you go.
That's my bowl. Oh my god. Chef Boyardee over here.
Better. Chef Logan already. And then the only way to finish that off is gonna be with the crushed red as always. See, I like the spicy stuff, so I torture myself. That's just what I do. You want some?
Oh yeah. It's dripping on the side.
Yes, sirski. You can smell the hot. After dumping that shit on there. Yeah, that's crazy. What the hell? There is a new special I just created. I don't know how much of this shit I'm gonna eat, but oh, we gonna eat it. Oh, we gonna.
We'll be gone tonight.
Yeah, it might be. Eat a bowl or two now. Eat a bowl or two later. Can't go wrong though, that's for sure. How many? I wonder how much calories is in like a box of pasta. So there's 8 serving sizes, 200 a calorie, 200, 1600 calories, and 1 box of pasta. So you could eat a box of pasta a day, and then that should keep you feeling full, and then you eat a bunch of meat with it on top of protein shakes and some other bullshit. It should be close to 3,000.
3,000 what, calories?
Yeah.
Looks like you put what, green onions in there?
That was already in that meat. Oh yeah, fire.
10 out of 10.
Agreed. Get cat ass out my face. This is gonna be a star of the show. Buds. Yeah, this is fire. Don't got too much words because it's so good, but nice, solid, hefty bowl of food. Get me right and ready for the gym. As soon as I eat, I'm gonna head out there and be there for about an hour and a half, 2 hours. Probably an hour and a half because I want to get back home and just relax. Just watch something, maybe.
Shoots it up.
Maybe get my dick sucked. I don't know. We'll find out. Guys, I've never watched Breaking Bad. It's pretty crazy, so I'm like season 2 or 3 in. Get off the stove, you fuck. Or I mean the counter. Anyways, be on season 3, episode 4 or 5 of Breaking Bad. First time ever going through it. Freaking years later. I know I'm late to the party, but that shit's fucking gas. And I do want to finish it eventually. One of these days. Alright, it's just super gas, game talk. Other cat chilling. Get some milk and finish this food off, baby. Get some extra calories and protein there's. But I do need to figure out how many calories I need to start eating. And then make sure I'm on top of it.
I say, what were 176? 178?
Yeah, I wish.
Over 160s? Oh no, wait.
172 or 3.
Not far.
It's harder to gain weight than you think if you don't literally eat every single day more than you burn, then it doesn't do much. That's why for me, I literally need to eat at least 3,000 if I want to get there anytime soon. Gotta do the opposite of Austin. Just eat everything.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna finish this up, head to the gym, catch y'all in a little bit. I might film at the gym, I might not. But we'll see. Progress. Time to go stretch. Just got back from the gym. Gotta feed these damn cats, going crazy. What? Crazy. Great day though. Highly successful in my eyes. Got 2 worksheets done for my course. Great day making, what's it called, or at the gym. Definitely got some gains. Again, they don't look like shit, but I feel the difference. And created a ebook for my junk removal course. And god damn it, dude. I just made a big fucking mess. This pisses me off. Fuck. It's very hard to do this all at once with long hair because my hair keeps getting in the way. It's wet, it won't stay up. Fucking A, dude. Oh my god. I about spilled this whole fucking cup. But I did just make a small little mess, so. Anyways, pretty successful day in my eyes. Got all that shit already said, done. And now I'm gonna probably eat a protein shake, or drink a protein shake rather. And post some content and then fucking relax. So might eat again. I know I need to. I probably should have ate earlier before I ate the time that you guys already saw. So I only really ate 1 big meal, a protein shake, and some little bits of bullshit, that muffin you saw. So I didn't eat a lot at all today. I know for sure I did not hit over 2,500 calories, or at least I'm gonna guess I didn't, so. But probably gonna eat another fucking muffin for sure, so that'll get me up there a little bit more. 340 calories in the muffin. Don't know how much was in the pasta I ate, but I ate a shit ton of pasta. And it's still looking gas, so I'm probably gonna eat some more of that, can't lie. So I guess we'll see. Yeah, phone's about to die, so I'm just gonna end it here. Honestly, just don't feel like recording anymore, so have a good night, see you tomorrow. Peace out, gang, live forever. Oh, and before I sign out, if you're interested in junk removal, you know who to fucking go to. Junk King. I'm the junk man. God damn it. I can get you from 0 to 5 figures a month in 6 months or less. Don't be a little bitch. If you want to change your life and you want to start a side hustle that has a low barrier to entry and you're willing to hustle, check out my bio, lifestylecommitment.com, or thejunkcamp.com. Tons of different products. Again, that's thejunkcamp.com. Tons of different products from free up to my full paid course at $9.97. If you're ready to change your life, I got the sauce and I'm ready to help you. Let's get it done. Peace out.